Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Honorable Chief Guest, Peer Sayyid Lutfullah Shah Sahib and Mufti Matloob Ali Shah Sahib and respectable teacher Sayyid Hassan Raza Shah Sahib and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is greatness of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. According to alphabetic letters, A said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the ambassador of peace and law. B said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the beloved of Allah Almighty. C said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the center of all knowledge. D said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the dynamic figure in human history. E said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the emancipator for the oppressed. E said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the emancipator for the oppressed. F said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the founder of Islam. G said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the glow of the universe. H said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the hope for the signal. I said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the incarnation of beauty. I said Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the incarnation of beauty. J said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the judicious of all. K says Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the kingly yet humble. L says Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the last prophet of Allah Almighty. M said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the multi-dimensional personality. N said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the noblest of the noble. N said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the noblest of the noble. O said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the observer of this and that world. P said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the protector for the weak. Q said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the quiet, peace-loving person. Q said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the quiet, loving, peace person. QR said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the remarkable leader. S said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the soul of the universe. T said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the truthful, tolerant of all mankind. U said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the upstanding personality. V said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the victorious in all battle. W said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the rare in Allah's mercy. X said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam xenodoctrinal master. X said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the xenodoctrinal master. Y said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is yielding only to Allah. Z says Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the zenith of mankind. I conclude my speech with the message of great leader, the ambassador of the peace and the interpreter of the Holy Quran, Shaykhul Islam, Professor Dr. Muhammad Tahirul Qadri. Kindle the fire of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Love in your heart. Kindle the fire of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Love in your heart. Let will be your grave. Let will be your grave when from the world you depart. Thanks.